Hi, I'm Laura. And I'm Liz. And this award is for the best photo of TM products. This is a new award for this year's Smarties. Loads of you sent us photos via our pages, but we could only choose one. And the winner is Kirsty Batt.
Kirsty sent us a picture of loads of TM merchandise on her desk, including her notebook, which she says is looking a little grubby from where she uses it so often. The prize you've won is a TM goodie bag with a load of TM goodies inside, including a quality rollable pen and a certificate. Congratulations, Kirsty, and please email us on the link below to claim your prize.